www.pressurewasherbits.co.uk. Qwashers at eBay, Q Services Limited. What we've got here is the Drop Mac International Pro machine. They also do this just as a drop machine without the soap at high pressure. Machine 11 litres per minute at 100 bar. Soap at high pressure. Chemical knob, turn your soap on. Thermostatic control for your thermostat. On off switch and your pressure gauge. Chemical tank at the front of the machine. You've got your water inlet at one side and your high pressure outlet at the other side. Another great machine, capable to go into most jobs in the industry. Certainly not a domestic machine. And you've got your diesel at the back end of the machine. What's I'm going to take the lid off and we'll have a look underneath. Thermal overload protection on the motor, so if any faults, any problems with the electric supply, low voltage, machine will automatically knock off and you'll have to trip it back in to knock it back on again. But obviously that will give you awareness that there is a fault somewhere and that needs sorting. W98 pump, one of the longest serving pumps in the INTERPUMP market. Great pump. Safety relief valve underneath there, so any faults, misfires, gets too hot, frost, it will automatically blow off, and you've also got your fuel filter. Water tank, because this is soap at high pressure, so you've got your water tank, stainless steel water tank there at the back of the machine. Like I said before, your water inlet and your high pressure outlet. Pump's running at 1450 RPM, so it's a slow revving motor with 3 horsepower motor on there, 240 volt. They do the same version as this, but without the high pressure soap. Automatic stop start. And that is the Mac Drop Pro. Thank you very much. Q Services, www.pressurewasherbits.co.uk. Qwashers on eBay. Thank you.